The sound. What is sound? Sound, it's something can be heard and travel in a form of waves when the object vibrates, it makes a sound. This vibration from the objects travels in a form of waves through the air, for example, and reaches to your ears and cause the hearing of the sound. For example, this bell, when you hit it, its body make a vibration. This vibration travels through the air in a form of waves and reaches to your ears and cause the hearing. Some musical instruments like the guitar and the other stringed musical instrument, they make a sound by plucking. When you pluck the strings of the guitar, they vibrate and make a sound. You can do that in your home. Plucking a rubber band make it vibrate and creates a sound. You can feel the sound that comes from your throat. If you put your fingers here on your throat and you talk, you feel the vibration in your vocal cords. Vocal cords inside your throat vibrate, and after that, it makes a sound. Hitting a ruler on a disc makes the ruler vibrate back and forward. Makes the sound that you hear. Okay, you try to put the ruler here at the tip or at the edge of the table and hit it harder. It will vibrate and you will hear the sound. Also, the tuning fork vibrates back and forward. That causes the sound. So all sounds are produced by the vibration of the objects. When the sound source vibrates, they make a sound.